In this lab, you're going to use the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, in order to calculate the pressure of gas inside of a balloon. So in this lab, we're going to be generating carbon dioxide gas. We're going to do that by a reaction between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid. The sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid react together to produce carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas is going to be collected inside of a balloon, and we're going to measure the volume of the balloon. We'll use stoichiometry to calculate how much gas was produced, and we'll measure the temperature, and then we can use PV is equal to nRT in order to find the pressure in the balloon. So the first thing I want to do is I measured out my sodium bicarbonate, and it was 6.1 grams. So we had exactly 6.1 grams of sodium bicarbonate. And now I'm going to put the sodium bicarbonate into the balloon. If I put it directly into the acid, it would react too quickly and I wouldn't be able to capture my gas. So I'm going to put the sodium bicarbonate into the balloon, and then that'll allow me to capture the carbon dioxide that's produced during this reaction. So we have 6.1 grams of sodium bicarbonate, and we got most of it, at least, into the balloon. So 6.1 grams of sodium bicarbonate in a balloon. And now we're going to put it over our Erlenmeyer flask. The Erlenmeyer flask already has 75 milliliters of acid in it. Here our limiting reactant will be the sodium bicarbonate. We have excess acid here, so it won't limit our reaction. And we can get the reaction started by just tipping the balloon up and pouring the sodium bicarbonate into it. You saw that filled the balloon quite quickly. We'll shake this around a little bit to make sure the reaction finishes. Make sure we got all of the carbon dioxide captured there. Now we're going to measure the volume of the balloon. We're going to do that by measuring its circumference. We're going to take a piece of string and put it around the balloon, and then we'll measure that piece of string. And the string was 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters around. The distance around the balloon was 42 centimeters. That's the circumference. You can use a little bit of geometry to calculate the volume of the balloon. We're going to release the carbon dioxide now. We don't need that anymore. And we're just going to measure the temperature. We'll measure the temperature of the solution here. That'll be pretty much the same temperature as the gas. And it looks like 19 degrees Celsius is our temperature in our solution here. So we'll assume that the temperature of the gas was also 19 degrees Celsius. So we had 6.1 grams of sodium bicarbonate. We can use that to figure out stoichiometry to figure out how many grams or how many moles of carbon dioxide was produced. We had the circumference of the balloon, 41 centimeters, which gives us which allows us to calculate the volume of the balloon, and then we had the temperature, 19 degrees Celsius. And with that information, you should be able to calculate the pressure of the gas inside the balloon.